With this pump you can inflate a balloon and pop it too. Take a film can and make a hole in its base to make the suction valve. Then take another film can and make a hole in its lid to make the delivery valve. Make another hole to push the delivery pipe. Then take a 4 cm sticky tape and take 1 cm of the tape and stick it on itself. Then stick the sticky part to the base of the bottle so that the doubled part lies on the hole. This becomes a little flap which can open and close. This is your suction valve. Similarly, stick a similar strip on the base of the lid to make the delivery valve. This is like one-way traffic. The valve opens and closes. It's like a traffic light, just one-way traffic. Finally, shut the lid on the bottle and take about 7-8 inches of an old bicycle tube and push the tube onto the bottle. The tighter the tube, the better is your pump because there will be no leakage. Take the delivery valve and push the white bottle also on the other side of the tube. Then take a stiff straw, put the balloon inside and tie it up with a rubber band. Push the stiff straw into the hole. Now your pump is ready. With both hands open and close the tube to inflate the balloon. With this pump you can inflate the balloon even with one hand. If you place it in water and move it up and down, large oodles of water come out and the water goes almost 15 feet away.